Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to add a blank line. So there are three options to add a blank line. First, we can use the BR tag. So you can type first and we can add for BR. Type against BR and then I will set into second text. Now you can save. And I will open to the browser to create the blank line in here. So the seconds we can use the paragraph tag, can type a paragraph first and the next paragraph again second. Can save and then refresh, create a blank line. And the third, we can use the pre-format tag. So you can type pre. You can insert the text inside the pre to create text. I will set into first. And then enter again twice. Second. Now you can save and refresh. It create the blank line. So if you delete these options, to be not show for the space between these text. Okay, you can click save and then refresh again like this. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to add a blank line.